Okay, today's September 17th and I have school and it's already 2 p.m. I start class at 4 p.m. but I kind of overslept for my first class. And yeah, I'm about to go drop off something to my friend and then head to school probably. Bye. I'm on my way to school and the weather's so nasty and I hope I'm not late because there's a bit of traffic. There's always so much traffic. That's why I don't take the bridge. I take the tunnel, it's faster. And I think if I were to take the bridge, it would have been the same cost as my gas waiting with all that traffic. Yeah. It's not that bad. I left earlier. Usually I would have class at 4, so I would leave at like 3. But I still have to look for parking by campus. But I gotta stop by Chinatown first. So I left at 2. I brought this. Like the desserts are like in here, and then I made new moon cakes and stuff for this coming season. And then I also brought some pineapple cookies because he's been wanting them. Oh, I see him. It's like right. Oh wait. It's right there. Okay. Hello.
Where AMG at?
I didn't take it out today. It was raining. Thank you.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Hey.
Drive safe.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to school now.
Good luck.
Bye. Oh, cramping. But looks like this. It's really good. I told him to put less sugar. Okay, thanks, Tommy. I'm gonna mix it first because I'm scared it's gonna spill when I'm driving. Because it's kind of full. I'm so scared it's gonna spill and it's gonna get sticky in the car. Okay, bye. I gotta go to school now. Okay, I'm back. I just parked and I have class in half hour, so I gotta leave soon. But this campus here. It's like there. Oh. And then there's library down there where I'm gonna meet Emily later. Bye. I'm feasting tonight. Oh my god. All the good food. Wait, can we bring it closer? That's so pretty. Oh, that one's the cheesecake. And then with the top, it's like a coconut milk jelly. It's like a mousse. Oh. It's like regular cheesecake. That one? Yeah, the basic one. Tip likes that one the most, the basic. What's the difference between this and this one? This one's the same thing, just doesn't have the mousse on the top. This one's just plain with whipped cream. When is it? My birthday when we all ate it.
No, it's this one, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You saw me wrong.
Oh.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
We're watching the summer. I turned pretty.
How delicious. Would you more Simsbury?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Do you know on campus? Do you know anyone else on campus that's usually here this
My friends don't even have class this semester on Wednesdays. Yeah. There's so much people. I mean, there's like those. We're at the library now. Kathy. We're trying to get some work done. The library looks like this. It's getting late now. It's 7:37 p.m. but I think we're about to leave soon. Just about like 10 minutes. I think we got it. Bye, get home safe. I just finished school. Emily and Kathy just left to go back home too, so I'm gonna go home also and see my baby Cove, my dog. And I'm blind at night, so I can't see. So I need my glasses.
The sun came out. I went about to drop top. Party on the block. Looking like
There's so much traffic, but I took off my glasses because my eyes got tired. But I only wear them when I plan on speeding. But look at the view. It's so pretty.
You went about a mall watch. Say fucking I'm called out. I'm start chasing my Celine dreams. Me and Thugger made a slime house. $100,000 for a green ring. Yeah. We the new dream team. None of us green bean. All of my lean clean. Money on y'all me. Coop these bitches like I'm scouting. Had the money by the couch spring. Made me now I'm a Southside king. The sun came out. I went about to drop top.
I'm almost home. Wait, that's not that bad. It's only like 30-minute drive. Okay, I just parked and got back home. Now, I think I'm done for the day. Bye.